Early morning, I gaze at my empty backyard, longing for change. Dreams of fresh vegetables and vibrant flowers fill my mind. But I'm a beginner. Where do I even start gardening? I discover the ultimate raised bed and container gardening guide. Flipping through, I find step-by-step advice for every challenge. The book explains planting, watering, and caring for each crop. With eco-friendly soil and quality seeds, my garden takes shape. I tackle pests and nourish my plants with organic fertilizer tips. Soon fresh herbs, tomatoes, and blooms brighten my family's table. Our meals become healthier, our home more vibrant and connected. If you dream of homegrown goodness, this guide is your answer. Start your gardening journey today. Grow wellness, joy, and life. Ever wish your garden looked less like a salad disaster? Meet the Complete Gardener's Guide, your green-thumbed GPS. Step-by-step instructions turn plant panic into garden glory. Packed with expert tips, think of it as garden Wi-Fi. From tiny balconies to backyard jungles, every space counts. Wildlife kits? Check. Flower fireworks? Double check. Got carrots or kohlrabi dreams? We've got root guidance, raised bed hacks for neat freaks and veggie geeks alike, pruning, pests, and plant picks. No more garden guesswork. Ornamental grasses. Your neighbors will be green with envy. Beginner or pro, this book's your garden's best friend. Grow smarter, not harder. Grab your copy and dig in. Dreaming of a lush, chemical-free garden at home? Reason 1. Step-by-step guidance for beginners and pros alike. Reason 2. Eco-friendly, sustainable gardening methods that truly work. Reason 3. Budget-friendly tips for maximizing your garden's yield. Expert advice from Dr. Paulette Scott ensures you grow with confidence. Includes raised bed designs, greenhouse tips, and DIY solutions. Perfect for families, eco-conscious growers, and gardening enthusiasts. No more guesswork, just practical, proven techniques for thriving gardens. Transform any space into a productive, healthy green oasis. Ready to start your organic gardening journey? Grab your copy of the Organic Gardener's Guide today. Follow for more expert gardening tips and inspiration. My garden was a mess. Plants struggled, veggies barely grew. I felt lost and frustrated, unsure where to even start. One day, I discovered Martha Stewart's gardening handbook online. The gorgeous cover and expert reputation instantly caught my eye. Inside, I found step-by-step guides for every gardening challenge. The clear planting advice made it easy to plan my garden. Her tips on soil prep and plant selection were absolute game changers. Suddenly, my veggies thrived and flowers bloomed like never before. I finally felt confident and excited about every gardening project. Imagine your garden bursting with life. Wouldn't that feel amazing? Don't wait. Grab Martha Stewart's guide and transform your garden today. Look what just arrived. The Old Farmer's Almanac Vegetable Gardener's Handbook. Let's open it up. Love the vibrant, sturdy cover design. First impression packed with colorful photos and clear diagrams. Flipping through, I spot easy planting guides and seasonal schedules. There's practical advice for raised beds, containers, even small spaces. I like the expert tips, simple but super actionable for beginners. The step-by-step seed starting section is especially helpful. Biodegradable pot tips, perfect for eco-friendly gardeners like me. I appreciate the focus on high-yield, disease-resistant veggie varieties. Honestly, this handbook feels like a must-have for new gardeners. If you want gardening success, grab this book, link in bio.